Welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a quick comparison between the Affinity publisher versus the Scribus. Let's go. In this year 2026, choosing between Affinity, publisher, and Scribus comes down to what you value most in a layout design. So Affinity Publisher is widely seen as the most modern UI and seamless workflow integration, features that many users rate higher for business needs and ease of use. Its one-time purchase model and tight integration with the rest of Affinity suite make it especially appealing for freelancers and SMBs who want powerful design tools without a subscription. So on the other hand, we have Scribus. This one is a fully free open source alternative that runs on multiple platforms and offer solid desktop publishing capabilities including professional typesetting and PDF or X export, making it great for budget conscious users or open source enthusiasts, but it typically has a steeper learning curve, fewer templates, and a less refined interface than Publisher. So, if you prioritize ease of use, modern features, and smooth support, Affinity Publisher usually comes out on the top, whereas Scribus is ideal if cost and open source freedom are your top priorities.